Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make these super delicious and simple keto cloud cakes with a strawberry and whipped cream filling. So for these cloud cakes I used heavy cream, strawberries, egg whites, eggs, vanilla extract, cream cheese, and liquid stevia. Start with creaming the cream cheese. Separate the egg yolk from the egg white and add the egg yolks to the cream cheese. Add vanilla extract and liquid stevia. In a different bowl, mix the egg whites, and you know when it's done when you turn it upside down and it doesn't come out of the bowl. Combine the egg whites with the egg yolk mixture. And put it in a lined baking dish. Bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And while it is baking, mix the whipped cream with a little bit of vanilla extract and stevia. Cut the strawberries. And by now the cloud cake should be done. Take it out of the tray and allow it to cool. Cut circles and assemble the cloud cakes. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.